My name's Richard and I drive a 1981 Ferrari 308 GTSI. This car's an ex-English car, so it was pretty rusty when I bought it. I knew what I was buying, so it's had a full bare metal respray, a lot of new panels fitted, new genuine Ferrari where possible, but yeah, full bare metal body restoration. My main goal with this car was to end up with a nice drivable car. I never intended to do it as a concourse restoration, but I wanted to know what I had, so it was important for me to end up with a good-looking rust-free car. The body shop that I'd initially enlisted to do the car had left me in a position where they couldn't complete the car. So I came in and spoke to Dave, sat in his office and said, "Yep, we can help you." Which was a huge relief. I didn't have any reservations choosing Styling Automotive to do the car. Dave was very easy to deal with, made me feel very much at ease. For me, seeing the calibre of the vehicles they were doing and that the business was very much restoration orientated, yeah, made it a no-brainer for me. If restoration came out well, I've got a rust-free car, which for an early 80s or even late 70s Ferrari 308 is a rare thing. They're prone to rust. When I picked up the car, wow, it was really shiny. That's what I sort of kind of remember. The colour was absolutely spot on. The deep red that I was looking to get, I got. And yeah, I just sort of couldn't wait to get it back home and put it all back together. Benefits I've noticed. It's gone up in value. Everyone comments on how great it looks. It's good. It's nice to drive, especially when the sun's out. It's good. Life is probably less stressful now that the restoration's finished. Well, the bodywork's finished. I'm not sure that with a classic car your restoration is ever finished, but the bulk of it's done, so yeah, less stressful. What exceeded my expectations was probably the level of communication. You know, Dave was regularly in contact, always delivered on everything he said he was going to do. Dave's price was good. What I ended up having to spend was not great. I wish I'd brought the car to Dave to do it from the start, yeah. Best thing about Styling service, delivered on his word. There was no surprises. He told me he'd tell me everything that was going to happen along the way, and he did. Yeah, it was faultless. After the ordeal I'd gone through before meeting Dave and coming to Styling, it all flowed quickly and easily. Go there.